Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
If you want to add URL into the image, let's see how we can add URL into the image. So simply open the Figma and select the text tool, and on draw the section on the image, add space into the text selection and multiple spaces into the image. Make sure your image into the frame and clip add. And now select all the text and add the link on the text. Simply press the Ctrl+A and select your entire spaces text are selected, and then press the Ctrl+K, or else you can click the link icon on the Figma top bar and add the link whatever you want to redirect the image on click. Now I am write simply my website URL. Now you can simply select the three dot and remove underline of the text. Now your image are linked to the website. Simply you can select the frame, export into the PDF format. Let's see the PDF. You can see the image is redirect to my website. How it's cool, na? Thank you for watching my video. And are you want to see like this content, subscribe to my channel and hit down the like button. And if you have any question, just comment down below.